Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're in Auckland, we're in Metalcraft Roofing. I've always wanted to do this and show everyone how flashings are made. So we've got Mel, man, he runs Metalcraft Roofing, but then we've got doing the hard mahi, we've got Mandeep over here, man, and we've got Shane G as well. But if you guys could explain it, like, we're always admiring the flashings on our buildings, and it's one of the key things is we offer custom flashings, so we always get them made afterwards so we can get it made right. But what's the process that goes into making the flashings that look so sharp?
Yeah. So first of all, when the order arrives, so here's the drawings are there. So in this system, and I draw everything like this type of drawings or whatever. So I put all the measurements over there, and when the sticker come out after slitting, so when they scan over there, so this drawing blinks on that screen. Yeah. So after that, they continue on that machine.
So you'll be able to pick the different styles of flashing. So you've got quarter flashings, barge flashings, vermin, and enter in all of these different measurements. And then that feeds into what the guys are going to be doing over there?
So when I slit according to the measurements, so...
Oh, so when you slit, I'm simple, I don't understand any of this. So does that mean that it goes through here and it slits to the right width?
Yeah, right width.
Ah, okay. So this is where we've got different coils in here. Ah, so you slit it to the right length, and then that goes over to the guys to fold it. Ah.
So they scan it, like the stickers are there, you can see the stickers. They when they scan with the scanner, so this drawing same time blink on the screen, and then they continue on the...
So that'll get automatically fed into
automatically fed.
We get the measurements right. This isn't one of ours. Shout out JR Roofing. Doing a good job, hopefully, boys. Girls as well, as we know. But yeah, so they've got all the measurements in here, right? We can show some of them that we've done. So you've just got to make sure that you get those same measurements right, eh?
Yeah.
Excellent.
And Jace, where it becomes important for your measurements is that we run two shifts. One's right through, one's through the day. Yeah. Through the day we can give Waikato Sheds a call and say, hey, the guys are slitting your job now, but in the middle of the night there's no one to talk to, and so that job essentially has to get parked until the morning, and that leads to further delays.
So for all of us, all the roofers, everyone, the better we get our measurements, these guys can do it. Alright, that's important. Awesome. So can we see how this slitting machine works?
Yeah, sure. So just give me a second when I move this back.
Alright, so while we're waiting on Mandeep to clear it, Mal, do you want to explain what we've done here in the best way? Because you're saying the computer will figure out how to get the most possible flashings out of the coil?
Yeah, so what we've got here is we've got an SWI slitting machine that's got a 4-stack decoiler. So we load the most popular coils on that, and maybe one of those will change up during the day. The coil is 1200 wide, and so what we'll do is enter it in the machine, and then the machine will work out what's the most effective way or the most efficient way to slit those 1200 coils. So if it means dropping one of those wider girths into the next run of orders, or pulling one forward of a previous order, it'll work out whatever the best girth is to make that coil. Yeah.
And then that'll automatically put a sticker on there, so it's not going to get lost or anything else.
That's correct.
It's got the barcoding in there.
Yep, so it'll get slid out, it'll have your barcode on all of those flashings. Once it's left this table and gets brought across to the flashing folding table, they'll scan that barcode. That barcode will bring up the drawing that's in the system, and then everything as per your entry from your teams will be accurate.
And so all these more colourful coils, are they all the stuff that gets used less often?
Yeah, a lot of it's all the same coils as well, so there'll be a lot of the same colours that are up on here that we're using daily. And we have sort of minimum order quantities that we don't let run sort of lower than those quantities.
Yeah, I see a pretty nice yellow one there.
Yeah.
I think we've done every sort of shed, but a yellow shed.
Radiant yellow used for pick and save.
That's it. You damage flashings pretty regularly then, eh?
Oh yes, yeah.
Cool, so as we go through it, I mean, I literally thought, what happens if you get your finger? I don't know your finger. So these lasers down in the corner, they can pick up and sense if there's any hands too close, and then the machine. So the machines are protecting us from ourselves. Thank you, machines. Awesome. Alright guys, if you've got any questions, let us know, but I wanted to just end it by thanking Honey, Abby and Mandeep. It's good hard work. Just in a lot of this is just to appreciate that these sheds and all the roofing doesn't happen by magic. All of this, all the flashing work, all the coils, it's hard working Kiwis in behind making it happen. So cheers guys. What you guys do here makes our sheds look beautiful, and it makes our tradies happy, and it makes the clients happy. So it's awesome work.
Thank you so much.
Cheers guys.